What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video, I'm going to give you an update about my Bybit Trading Bots. But before I jump into it, let's have a quick look at BTC. Let's see what's up. Okay, so this is BTC price chart. Okay, so this is the daily price chart, and we can see that even though BTC is not performing as we wanted to, we always want bullish momentums. BTC is on a consolidation period. Okay, so you had a pump, retested, pumped, consolidate, retest on this line right here, pumped, and seems like it's going to retest on this line right here. So before we see the next BTC big movement, okay, we still have to consolidate a few more days. So probably till about 24th, 22nd of August until we see a big move to the upside, okay? And probably the next one is going to hit the 32.5K, okay? Because as you can see right here, not much is happening. BTC is just walking towards this yellow line because so as far as I can see, it's still following this pattern right here. And once BTC comes over here and touch this line right here, I believe BTC will pump back up for the next leg. Okay, let's go over to my bots and let's see what's up. Unfortunately, even though, as you can see, BTC hasn't been dumping much, right? So from 29.5 and 31.5 to 29.11, right? The altcoins, they have been suffering, okay? And therefore, my bots are red, red, red. But I don't want to close them now because eventually they will have to go back up. Okay, I either gonna get stopped or liquidated, but I'm not gonna terminate any bot. Okay, because usually that's what happens when you terminate the bots. That's when they pump. Okay, so I either lose or make something. Okay, I don't want to close it at loss. All right. And that's why you will see red, 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 red. And you must be wondering why this guy doesn't terminate, because I don't want to terminate. I don't want to shut those bots at loss, even though we are down, let's say 16%, 25%, 58%, I still continue to roll with it because even though the bots are red, so if you click on details, you can see that the bots are performing great. Okay, so we got great profits right here and all that. Okay, so I am not going to terminate the bots. Okay, so there was one bot that got stopped by a long wick. Okay, so this bot was the XLM. So this one got stopped by a long wick. Okay, so was either there or get liquidated. Okay, so I lost 66% on that. It sucks, but it is what it is. It's part of the game, right? And yes, you can see all my bots right here, and they are all red. I also have this DCA bot, which is also red, 4.25%. Okay, but it's cool, right? It's cool because I'm here for the long play. Okay, so what I'm gonna do after this video, I will do some TA, okay, and then I will come over here to my Signals channel 329. So if you're not on my Signals channel 329, I would recommend you to come over here and join the channel because not only I post my trades, but I also post news about what's up and coming. Okay, like TRX potentially will join PayPal for its stablecoin launch, technical analysis, and much more. Okay, so if you're not in my Signals channel 329, go ahead and subscribe because it's free. Okay, and also I'm gonna have a look at the price charts and see if I can find an entry. Okay, so just having a look at BTC. Real quick, we can see I mentioned several times that 28.8 would be a good entry to trade BTC, and as you can see several times, the price came over here to 28.8 and got rejected. Okay, so if you come over here to my completed, we can see that I used to have a bot on BTC right there. Okay, so if you click on details, we can see that I had 200 bucks and the entry price would be at 20 or 27.5. Okay, so it wasn't that close, but you know, if I had my bot around here 28.8, as I've been mentioning, I would have entered this position and I would have been up. Okay, but I've canceled it. So what I will do, I am gonna most likely redeploy or launch, prepare my bots for another catch. Okay, over here at 28.8. I'm going to set it up for 28.8. Okay, that's going to be my entry price for point for these BTC bots. Okay, and yeah, I will post the trades on my TG chat if you want to check my trades, if you want to follow my Bybit trading journey, etc. Okay, guys, and then again, guys, not everything is green. Most of YouTubers only show you the green things, only show you the profits, and they don't show you the losses. Okay, so this is my Bybit trading journey, and I want to be fully transparent with y'all, not just showing green, 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 green all the time. Okay, sometimes the bots go red, and sometimes the bots go green. So we just have to accept that fact because that's how trading goes. Okay, that being said, guys, stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.